Welcome. If you've ever wanted to control who can comment on your Facebook page's cover photo, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to allow only your established followers to comment on your page cover photo, all from your computer. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will take you directly to your personal profile. Now, if you manage a Facebook page, you'll see it listed under your profile. Click on your page to enter it. Once you're on your page, focus on the large cover photo at the top. Hover your mouse over the cover photo and click on it to open it in full view. Underneath the cover photo, you'll notice 3 dots arranged horizontally. Click on these 3 dots to open a menu of options. From this menu, select the option that says, "Who can comment on your post?" This is where you can control who gets to interact with your cover photo. A pop-up window will appear with several choices. To restrict commenting to only your established followers, select the option labeled Established Followers. This ensures that only people who have been following your page for a while can leave a comment, helping you keep your page's conversations positive and relevant. Once you've made your selection, click Done to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully updated your cover photo's comment settings. By following these steps, you can easily manage who interacts with your content, giving you more control over your page's community. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with other page admins who might need a hand with Facebook's latest updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.